Hi, I'm Molly Borst, and I'm here with my 4-year-old son, Conrad.
Hi, I'm Conrad. Let's do science.
Sounds good to me, buddy. Like you, we're home practicing social distancing and trying to stay busy. So we thought we'd invite you into our kitchen for a little chemistry. What experiment do we have today, Conrad?
I'm making chocolate-scented slime.
Chocolate-scented slime, that sounds good to me. Let's take a look at our tray to see what we need for our experiment. In our measuring cup, we have clear glue.
And color glue, hot cocoa powder, baking soda, and 10 solution. Let's get started.
Sounds good. Now go ahead and let's add 1 ounce
Whoa,
of
whoa, whoa.
glitter glue.
Whoa. Easy, fella.
Almost.
Oh, this is a heavy one.
1, 2, 3. That's about 1 ounce. I'll take that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and stir in that glitter glue.
Looks like slime.
All right, once you have the glitter glue mixed in with the clear glue, let's go ahead and add our cocoa powder.
Dum dum. Oh, there's a little bit.
Get it all in there.
Oh,
That's okay.
that's okay.
Go ahead.
Accidents happen.
Yep.
Oh, look, ingredients. It's so hard.
It's so hard to stir.
Done.
Oh, get that gold mixed in there. Nice
1, 2.
chocolatey color. We call this wafting. Ooh.
Oh.
Does it smell like hot cocoa?
Yeah, hot cocoa like cocoa to drink.
Yeah, like cocoa to drink. Yeah, let's go ahead and add the baking soda.
Oh.
That's okay. Just a little spill. That's enough. Good job.
That makes
Oh,
it
there's
all
still more.
smooth.
Give it a little tap on the bottom. Good job. Now go ahead and give it a good stir. This is the tough one, right? After adding the cocoa powder, now the baking soda. Want to make sure all that baking soda dissolves.
Hey, can you do this? This is a hard one.
This is a hard one.
And this one? This one?
You do the last one?
That's easier.
Okay. Mixing in all that baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
Teamwork, right?
Yeah, teamwork.
Now for the last part.
One solution. Well, it looks like a pond
Okay, go
full of fishies.
ahead. Give it a stir.
Oh, it looks like a pond full of sharks and water.
Now the contact lens solution helps link up all those polymer chains that are in the glue. So hopefully we'll get some nice slime. So go ahead, use those muscles. Good job, good job. It's tough. Roll those sleeves up.
Here
Okay.
comes the fun part.
Here comes the fun part. Oh, you pass it to mommy. All right. So
And
look
then
at
we
this.
can play with
We've got
it.
nice, gooey chocolate
Chocolate
slime. So now we have this nice, thick, beautiful slime. I'm going to take it out of here, and then Conrad's going to have some fun.
And I want to do it. Everybody, you need to take a slime out of your hands. And it's so scratchy and gooey. There comes the big part. Oh, and the fun part, you can put it and it can. Oh, look, I have a monster hand.
Okay.
And I'm out of control.
Oh, you are out of control. Let's try to get this. Let's get this slime off here.
I got gooey.
So the good part about slime is that slime cleans slime. So all this good slime on Conrad's fingers, you just touch the slime on the fingers.
And here comes the fun part.
All right, now can you roll it in a ball for everybody?
Yeah.
And get the rest of the slime out of here.
Ta-da!
Can you stretch it out? It bounces.
Yeah, watch.
Can you stretch it? All right, can
It
you
looks
stretch
like
it out?
a rock. Watch. It looks like a jump rope.
Okay. Okay, put it back together.
And you can make a snowman.
Okay, can you rip it apart?
Yeah, to make a snowman.
Okay. So as you can tell, there's many things you can do with this slime, but it's a lot of fun to play with. I hope you had fun making some chocolate scented slime. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye. See you later. Hey, can I play with my Legos?